Welcome everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about Dawn Validator, another DePIN airdrop in the ecosystem. In the ecosystem, so it's similar to NodePay and also similar to Grass, and it also has a lot of potentials, and that is very okay for you to be able to mine on your mobile phone as well as on your laptop. The same way you are mining NodePay and Grass, that is the same way you can be able to do it on Dawn, since all of them are the same DePIN networks, airdrops. Okay, so without further ado, this is it: a decentralized autonomous network for wireless network, a protocol providing decentralized broadband, that's like bandwidth for people who are sending data online. So it's more or less an internet bandwidth. That's what it's actually all about. That's the use case of Dawn. So it has been generating buzz and people have been looking at it as something that is worthwhile. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this video how you can be able to mine it on PC. So as you can see, this is my laptop, so I'm going to show you how you can be able to mine it on laptop, and later on I'm also going to show you how you can be able to mine it on your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get started. And there is to click on the link in the description for you to, it will take you here on the Chrome link. It will take you here. So you are going to firstly start by adding Chrome extension on Dawn. So you have to put it on your Chrome extension. This is my PC. You're going to put it on Chrome extension, then add it here. Then after that, you can go to your extensions tab on your laptop and enable it. Okay, enable it. You see the toggle on top here, so when after top here, okay, you are going to see it on top here. Then when after that, you are going to click on it. Okay, so click on it, then it will open the extension for you. So for a first time user, you press continue, then it will tell you to log in. If you don't have a login or you haven't had an account, if it's your first time, instead of logging in, you have to register. Okay, you have to register. This is every single thing that you need for the registration. So the most important thing is to use the referral code. Okay, but for now, let me start with the registration. That's the registration. You can be able to re-log in again. I already have an account, so I'll press my login again the second time. So for it to be able to load, you can see it has opened. Okay, it has opened. So my connection quality is 40%. My total earnings are just only 7 points. So you can be able to start your mining there. Then here, which is on top at the navigation bar, is actually the parts that you need to have more focus in. So okay, here, this is where you need to have more focus in. You can be able to refer a friend, you check your dashboard, log out, as well as your profile. Okay, as well as your profile. We'll click on it. This is the home page. There's nothing there. That's what we are already on. Then on the profile, you can be able to see your profile. Then the next one will be on your dashboard. So this is the total points. I have 0x points, 0 Discord points, Telegram points 0, as well as referral points at the moment. Okay, you can go back. Then the last is your referral to a friend. So you can be able to press referral to a friend. So please use my referral code. I'll put the link in the description so that you can be able to use it. So it has now started farming for you. So you can be able to boost your rewards by clicking on it. That's 3 referrals. That's where you can be able to boost your reward. So once there's internet connection on the device, then it will be mining automatically. Okay, so that's every single thing about Dawn airdrop. I'm going to put the second video on how you can be able to do this thing with your smartphone if you are not using a PC or a laptop. My name is Oris Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and join the Telegram channel, link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.